You want to be the best? This film will show you how. You want to be the best? This is the paint for the job. You know the positive sides of silicate paints. For instance, high water vapor permeability and a low soiling tendency. You also know the benefits of silicone resin paints. High water repelling effect, negligible chalking, simple and universal application. But what you don't yet know are exterior paints that combine the advantages of both types. And not just that. Amphisillan and thermosan with a nanoquartz matrix are a quantum leap in exterior paint technology. Longer service life, more cleanliness, greater color brilliance. The best paints from Caparol for painters with the best results. But how does that work? In nanoquartz matrix technology, inorganic quartz particles combine with pure organic acrylate. The nanoscale particles bond together chemically, distribute themselves evenly, and develop a three-dimensional matrix structure as the film forms. A three-dimensional matrix structure. How does that work? Each tiny quartz particle is welded together with the next one by means of one or more acrylate bridges. These bridges, or bars, not only look like tendons, they function in a similar way, connecting the quartz particles tightly, yet at the same time flexibly. Quartz particle, bridge, quartz particle, bridge, and in 3 dimensions too, as a continuous quartz-reinforced polymer matrix, as a skeleton, as a grid. And that's nanoquartz matrix technology. It doesn't only ensure hard surfaces to prevent dirt and spores sticking, it also has many other benefits. What happens in a 200 micrometer or 0.2 millimeter coat thickness of amphisillan and thermosan directly on the facade? Firstly, the internal effects. Thanks to the nanoscale quartz particles, the nanoquartz matrix creates a firm bond with the substrate, clawing into the plaster and brickwork, so to say. The 3-dimensional lattice work also ensures hardness on the outside, which means that the binder's thermoplasticity can barely develop, even in the extreme heat of high summer. This in turn dramatically reduces the soiling tendency and thus the build-up of fine dust, dirt particles and spores. Anything that does accumulate on the facade will soon be washed away when the wind blows, or at the latest the next time it rains. The washing away process is supported by tiny quartz particles that produce a nanoscale coarse surface. These help form a thin holohedral film of water. This means thorough cleaning and quick drying. Because water does not penetrate, the silicone content of the paint sees to that. Water vapor inside the building can escape, however, due to the concept of capillary hydrophobicity. The key word here is water. Every organic binder swells and expands, but nanoquartz matrix technology stabilizes the paint layer and thus prevents swelling. For over 2 years, a set of experiments with outdoor exposure plates in one of the most polluted metropolises in the world have shown that nanoquartz matrix technology is superior to dispersion silicate exterior paints, high-quality silicone resin paints, and conventional exterior paints. In fact, clearly superior. In practical use too, nanoquartz matrix technology achieves outstanding results. Whether for classic residential and commercial properties or for big facades, amphisillan and thermosan with nanoquartz matrix technology also get top marks for handling and all-purpose use from both painters and builders. So you want to be the best? Amphisillan and thermosan with the nanoquartz matrix technology are the paints for you. Long service life, more cleanliness, greater color brilliance. With amphisillan and thermosan and the nanoquartz matrix technology, you can only be a winner.